Ooh, here we go. Come on. All right, guys. Finally snowing a crap ton again. So what we're gonna do here, I got CrossClimate 2s finally. So on this very car, I've had CrossClimate 2s now. Oh, sorry. All right, so this car, I've had the Firestone WeatherGrips, and then I got the Bridgestone WeatherPeak tires, and now I have the CrossClimate 2s. So obviously there's a bunch of snow. We are gonna see which of those all-weather tires I like the best in the snow. I'm gonna go up the slope with the fresh snow, really slowly, to kind of see what happens here. Now it's gonna be using no momentum. Traction control is off. Spinning, spinning. So actually, now it's coming to a complete stop. Let's go again. One wheel spinning, one wheel spinning. But that is not too bad, really. That was pretty good. So let's go back down. I thought there's a car. Let's back up here. That was actually really good. Let's see if it keeps me in focus.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Oh, it's not too bad braking. Go back up slowly. On that little incline. Ooh, here we go. Come on. Wow, we're stuck now. This is where all-wheel drive comes in handy. Eventually made it there. All right, so far, guys, rating the Firestone WeatherGrip, the Bridgestone WeatherPeak, and these CrossClimate 2s. In the snow traction category, I would probably list the Firestone WeatherGrip as the best, and these CrossClimate 2s really close. And the Bridgestone WeatherPeak definitely behind both of them. The Bridgestone WeatherPeak definitely disappointed disappointed me when it came to the snow grip. I mean, they're definitely better than regular all seasons. I don't know, they always seem to slip more than the Firestone WeatherPeaks, which I had before. And now these CrossClimate 2s are the third set I've had. They've all been on the same car, so it's not like it's a different vehicle. It's all the same vehicle. It's just me driving. I turn traction control off when driving this stuff. Drove the Firestone WeatherGrips in 8 inches of snow to work, and they did just fine. I mean, it was not the most fun drive to work, but it made it there, you know, and I had confidence. You just got to make sure in front-wheel drive you're not stopping on a steep hill. You just got to keep that momentum going, you know, and that's kind of the biggest thing. Now, as far as the other, you know, between the three of them, I haven't driven these ones a lot, but I do like the handling, because these seem a little stiffer sidewall than the other two. The Firestone WeatherGrips, when you went over bridges that had the grooves in the road, the car would like pull all over the place, like back and forth. It was kind of scary, but then you get used to it. The Firestones were the loudest tire in the bunch, and when they wore down after like 5,000 miles, they became pretty loud. Now the Bridgestone WeatherPeak were pretty quiet, and when they're at the end of their life, which like 230 seconds, they were still really quiet. These CrossClimate 2s, not sure yet. Just haven't, you know, I've only had them like 200 miles. So honestly, not sure what the noise level is going to be. Obviously, when they're new, noise level is very comparable to almost any new tire. So not much differences there. But so far, I am enjoying the CrossClimate 2s. They're definitely, from all the reviews online, the best overall all-weather tire as far as wet and, you know, for handling, braking, everything like that. So I just wanted to give these a try, since this is the United States and CrossClimate 3s aren't coming to the United States for another couple of years. I figure I'd give these a try. But right now, you can see it's, you know, not much grip right now. It's kind of deep, wet, slushy snow, but still moving pretty good. You know, but obviously I enjoy doing these comparison videos of tires. I like how tires perform in different ones, and obviously the tire review channel, he does a great job of actually getting analytical data. You know, wish I could do that, just that's not in the wheelhouse for me, you know, at this time. But doing just these videos and real world, you know, driving on different types of surfaces, different types of snow is pretty fun to do, and to see how they go. And it's kind of nice that I've been driving the same car for all three tires, so it's a good comparison between the three of them. And I've driven all of them in conditions like this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, subscribe for more. Obviously, maybe I'll do the tire video on the Michelins that are on my truck. But if you have all drive or four drive, this gives you a heck of a lot more confidence. So I'd say just buy an all-weather tire, almost no matter which one it is. Buy all-weather tires just for the braking and acceleration and stuff like that. That gives you more confidence in the snow. But definitely drive within your means. Don't go too fast. Like, see here, I'm just spinning and not moving. I mean, I'm moving, but very slowly. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good one.